In this video, I will demonstrate how to schedule posts in WordPress. But first of all, let's double check the time zone settings under the account. For that, hover on Settings, then click General, and then look for the time zone. Then just select on the menu and let's select the local time zone. Currently, I'm located in Toronto, so let's type Toronto and set it accordingly. Then press Save Changes. As you can see, the local time zone is 2:46 p.m., which is correct. Now let's hover on Posts and then click All Posts. Then look for the draft post such as this one, and then click Edit. Then on the right, you should see a menu. In case you do not see it, you have to just simply click on the settings and then click on the Post tab. And then under the Publish, click on Immediate and then set the schedule time. So let's schedule it on November 2nd at 2 p.m. November 2nd. And now let's click Schedule. Now confirm the time and date and then press Schedule. So the post has been scheduled. In fact, if you go to All Posts, you'll see it reflected right here. So this is all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.